We are back. What's up, freaks? It's your pal Al here, and today, finally, we are heading back into the community of tomorrow, the Epcot Center, where the Food and Wine Festival is still going on. Also, a lot of construction is still going on. We're gonna check that out too. We're gonna walk around and see exactly what all the hubbub is about, because today it seems that Epcot is extremely busy. So without further ado, let's freak out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Upon walking in and being parked way out here, we are super close to the new construction going on for the Guardians of the Galaxy. And this is about the closest I've ever been to this building, which I don't think I can get any closer than this. But look at that. The structural design is being built, and right over there you can see where the train will be rolling in from one building to the other. Fascinating. There's a closer look at the building structural design. So far it's just a skeleton, but we'll be seeing some more of it in the next coming months as they continue construction on Guardians of the Galaxy. Tram shot. Like I said earlier, the Food and Wine Festival is still going on, which I'm not complaining, are you? Let's see what kind of food we can get inside here. Because yes, I'm hungry. Can somebody get a meal? I want a meal. Oh, look, Pluto. And we are looking at a very crowded Epcot right out from the gate. Amazingly though, the pathways are extremely empty. It's just the lines for the rides that are packed, which is much to be expected. I mean, we're in Disney World, so that's pretty much every day. Spaceship Earth will be getting a redo, a reamp if you will, changing it and making it up to more of the times and not so much 1990s. Same thing with Project Tomorrow. No worries on that construction though. From what we hear, it won't be started till late 2019. Still gives you enough time to experience what we've been experiencing for the past 15 years. As far as the big ball is concerned. Here's another ride that will be getting a makeover, or possibly be taken out. I doubt they're going to get rid of it completely, but Journey into Imagination will be getting reconstructed soon. So get your time in while you can if you want to experience the original. Well, actually the second original. I'm kind of hoping they bring back the Dream Finder. He's like a father to me. I miss him. We're gonna try out the piggy wings that everybody keeps talking about. Heard they're delicious.
If you want to try out the piggy wings and other assorted flavors, you might want to head over to the Flavors from the Fire kiosk. Delicious.
Smoking. It smells fantastic too. Reminds me of backyard barbecue. And here they are, the piggy wings, and oh my god, they smell fantastic. I'm gonna eat one right now. Alright, here we go. Can I get 6 more of these? Crap. That's fantastic. Fantastic. What I like about it is it's sweet and tangy. It's not really spicy, like, you know, where it's burning your mouth. But it's got a little bit of a kick to it, but not much. It's more sweet than anything else. Oh man. And you can really taste the barbecue flavor in it. And the Korean sauce that they put in it. It's fantastic. You gotta try it for yourself. I recommend this. Piggy wings at the Food and Wine Festival. Delicious. Alright, let's move over. Oh look, monorail shot. Before we leave this area and move on to the next, I want to show you a spot that has been here since the dawn of time. And when I was a little kid, I used to play right over here. And my parents used to take me to Epcot. The jumping fountains. Strategically made where the water jumps from one spot to the next. When I was a kid, just like these little kids here, used to run around, watch the water jump, play with it. And of course, this is the back side of the upside down waterfall, or the backwards waterfall, whatever you choose to call it. Incredible water design that they have here. It's always amazed me. It's almost like magic. Fascinating. And the jumping fountains are not just one little spot. It goes all the way around and wraps around what used to be the theater for the Michael Jackson movie. Ah, the nostalgia right here. Just brings me back. Whee! Jumping, 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 jump! You could actually follow the water. Up, up, here we go. In and over. To the next. To the next. And back again. Round and up. Ah, good fun. Alright, let's move on. I think this calls for a bit of wine. This is the Food and Wine Festival. definitely chocolate. We're gonna try out their recommended pairing, which is a sweet dark chocolate raspberry torte and Croft's 10-year tawny. I'll let you know how it is. In Florida, ice tends to melt, but not here at Disney. They use liquid nitrogen. Community of tomorrow. Nailed it. Okay, so here we are. We got the tawny and the taut, as they call it. Looks fantastic. Look at this. Let's give it a whirl. Okay. That's good. Very sweet. But very good. Let's pair it up. Oh. The recommendation is very good here. I recommend the recommendation. You guys need to try this. I wish I could put it through the screen. That's very, very good. Oh. It does pair nicely. So that pairing was great. Wow, I hit the spot. Speaking of spots, I want to check this out with you real quick. Not only is there food and wine at the Food and Wine Festival, but there is also art. This piece right here is very, very nice. It's just interesting how they coordinated the bottles. You gotta respect it. Okay guys, now that we're all filled up, we're gonna move right on to some more construction updates. I love these little back alleyways that nobody takes. Heading on to the countries. You know, contrary to popular belief, when you're at the Food and Wine Festival, you don't need a fortune to get filled up. I know the entrees are rather small, but I just had 2 things. I'm not looking to eat anymore. We're in Canada right now, making our way over to France, check on Ratatouille. And it's not as crowded as I thought it would be, which is odd. Alice! Hi Alice! How are you?
Amazing. How are you?
Very good, thank you. It's always nice to talk to a hot blonde as you make your way to France. Ah, les France. S'il vous plaît? No? I don't know French words, but you get the idea. What I love about the weather being so nice here at Epcot is that all the pretty ladies come out all the time. And here's another one. She's so pretty. France's structural design is so breathtaking and so on point. And the smell is fantastic because of this place right here. Now I haven't heard much, but I want to say that this will be the entrance to Ratatouille. If I'm wrong on that, creators, please comment down below. Let us know. I've been trying to figure out exactly where they're going to put the entrance to Ratatouille at. But I'd say it's right here. If not, then I'd say the entrance will be inside the building, which you will have to enter the Les house. Les. Am I saying that right? But I'd say that's probably what's going to happen. If not over there, where we were previously. Could possibly have to enter. go into the gift shop and the entrance be inside. We'll just have to wait and see. Yet another possible entrance to Ratatouille could be right here, right next to the cast members' entrance. Clearing away all this trees and shrubbery, leading right up to the ride. The reason why I come to that assumption is because right back here, behind the trees, you can see the corner of the show building for Ratatouille, which extends all the way through to the backside of France. It's gonna be exciting what Disney decides to do, or has decided to do, because they already have a plan. They just haven't given it away yet. They are keeping that ride very concealed, which is good, because there's a lot more surprises in store when they finally debut it. I can't wait. Another construction update is right here in the dead center of the World Showcase. There's going to be a new show coming soon. They're going to completely reamp with lasers, and from what I understand, drone technology may be incorporated into the show as well. I'm looking forward to that. Are you? I'm wondering if they're going to keep the islands. I'm pretty sure they are. It would cost a lot of money to get them out of the water. Plus, I believe that's where they put a lot of the fireworks and lighting displays for the shows. A lot of change coming to Epcot. Hope you're all ready for it. Over in Japan, they've started the construction of the new steak and seafood sit-down restaurant. I got the walls up. Not sure what's going on beyond it. But the walls extend pretty far over into the second quadrant. Looks good. Can't wait. Japan is known for some really good food, especially sushi. I recommend Tokyo Dining if you want to get your sushi fix. Exquisite. Ah, Italy. No construction going on over here. I just got to pay homage to it because I'm half Italian, you know. So. Can't walk past Italy without saying hi. Would be right. Would be right. Fantastic. Next we come to another construction marvel that is being put in place that not too many people know about. It happens to be the Mission Space restaurant, or thereof themed, right next to Test Track, and of course Mission Space, that will offer food and a space adventure experience like none other. The building's being constructed as we speak. Some of it being torn down from a previous building that was here. Supposedly this restaurant will offer views of space exploration, as if you're on a space station. The Mission Space restaurant will be a lovely addition to a ride that is actually really cool. It just doesn't get that much fanfare, which is actually a plus side for us annual pass holders, because the wait line for Mission Space is never long. But I love this ride. Let me know in the comments if you like the ride too. Can't wait to try out the new restaurant. And last we come back to the Guardians of the Galaxy, which this is the front side of it. We saw the back side of it in the beginning of this video. Look what they've done to Universe of Energy. Completely gutted out. All the way to the back. You can even see out the back of Universe of Energy. There's trees back there. All the way through. Wow. I guess they're the connection tunnel that leads to the other side. Might be added on even bigger for the trains to run through and come back. We're gonna see some more construction going on. That's for sure. That's for sure. The new construction has offered a new galaxy wall that a lot of folks are taking advantage of for their Instagram photos. In fact, I think I'm going to take one right now.
So yeah, I'm excited for that. Then we'll be
There we go. I have to give the photo a thumbs up. You have to. The Galaxy Wall gives you a lot of options for some really cool Instagram photos. Look, we've got like a galaxy cluster right here. A whole bunch of different other colors. Look over here, I love this. This is beautiful. Isn't that fantastic? You know what? I should have taken my picture there. Than just the regular stat. That's alright. Nobody pays attention to my Instagram anyway, right? I'm just kidding. I keep getting followers every day. You know why? Because I'm a freak. And everybody loves freaks. No. Well, you don't. You don't have to. I, for one, is super excited about all the construction that's going on at Epcot. And also, I'd like to say that I am very proud of Disney for finally taking a keen eye and pointing their attention towards a theme park that is, well, just as iconic as the Magic Kingdom. This has been Al Corey with Florida Freaks, and I hope this update video and Food and Wine Festival has been to your liking. If you liked it, then please give me a thumbs up so that I know you did. We'll do some more videos like it. And remember, if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that notification button so you can see all the videos that we put out. We've had our freak out, and now it's time to pass out. We'll see you real soon. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.